The areas the cameras can see something is 1.3 by 1.5 meter. This zone we built different zones of danger. So how we communicate these to the employer, we do these about these LED strip over the upper guard. So we are able to show these strip in different colors, and you will see, depending on where is the position of the hand, it will show a different color. If I switch on the machine, the first color you will see is yellow. That means handguard is activated, but I don't see any hand. I put my hand under the camera, the strip gets green, that means okay, I detect a hand. The next zone is near to the saw blade and it's orange, that's a dangerous situation, but it's not too dangerous. And if I go to the saw blade, it gets red and the saw blade is triggered down. There are two reasons. So one is if I hold my hands into the red zone. The other reason can be you have a fast movement to the saw blade. So if you are slipping, falling and do some fast action around the saw blade, this we can protect too by triggering down the saw blade. So a regular working speed is 0.4 meters per second. If you are slipping, if you are falling, we are talking about 2 meters per second. And handguard can also protect these. So it's a preventive system, and if you have your hand into the direction of the saw blade, handguard can trigger down the saw blade every time to the right time. So you are every time protected with the handguard.